What you got there?
These will be an easy solution to get rid of the TPMS warning light sensor on the dash, because these are just regular valve stems, because I'm cheap.
This is my car. I'll take ownership.
Caitlin's cheap. So to do this, I'm electing for the wiretap method, splicing the signal into the ground wire to go ahead and shut off that TPMS light. So to do that, you need a Phillips head screwdriver, something to pinch this down, and then a wiretap. Go ahead and do yourself a favor, get the wiretaps where you can put another wire all the way through. It's definitely not pretty, but I opened this one up with a Dremel. Now we've got an opening all the way through. So when we get in the car, we'll slide one all the way across. You see how that goes all the way through now? And then one in the near side there. So then when we eventually press down on that metal tab, it'll link together. Let's go do that.
Show us how to do it.
So there's one Phillips head screw right here. Pop this open. This might be the hardest part. Pull this down, there's your TPMS module. There's just a little release on the top to unplug it. I didn't realize there's a light.
Oh.
You could always ground out on that, but no. There's a ground in this bundle. So to wire do we want? We wanted blue to white and black. We just want to be sure that this is what it is, so. We want to connect the blue, that white brown with a black stripe right there.
Oh, it's off.
I guess let's do it like this. 1, 2, 3 over is blue, and then from the bottom upper corner here, 1, 2, 3 over is your ground. So we want to connect that to our blue. So if we pop up here and find those again, so we want to just connect those two wires together. Here's my cut up wire tap, which is already too big for these wires. But we're going to put one on each side, best we can. About like that. Pin them in there. Drop everything. Give that just a little squeeze. And then check, make sure it's off.
It's off.
And then we just close that cap over.
But you still have the thing in.
Don't worry about that.
It's still off.
Okay, good. So then you just take that. Beautiful, huh? And that's it.
I don't see a sensor light.
Good. Yeah, well, just make sure you check your tires before you go drive now.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us, and we will see you next time.
I want these keys.